Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. This is the Mi 11 Lite. Alright, so that was the unboxing experience of this smartphone, Mi 11 Lite. Now I know you guys might be wondering, what is this color? The unboxing was of this color. So yes, I do have two of them, which means that I will be giving away one of them to one lucky viewer out there. We will talk about the giveaway rules and how to enter towards the end of the video. But right now, let's start with this phone and let's talk all about it. Also, don't skip towards the end of the video. It would just make me sad and you don't want to do that, right? You don't want to make me sad. So please watch the entire video. So after a long time, Xiaomi has launched a smartphone in the market, which is not about the specifications. It's about the in-hand feel and the design of the smartphone rather than the price to performance ratio. For that, they have their Redmi Note series, especially Redmi Note 10 series, which offers excellent value for money. But this smartphone is not about that. It's about the in-hand feel. It is a lightweight, comfortable and good looking smartphone. So as the name suggests, this is Mi 11 Lite. Light meaning lightweight and comfortable. It weighs in only at 157 grams and the thickness is just 6.8 millimeters. 157 grams is seriously impressive for a modern smartphone. It is very lightweight and the in-hand feel is excellent. Like as soon as I unboxed this phone, the first thing that I noticed was the weight of it and felt very good in the hand. After a long time I was using the smartphone, which did not feel like a brick. Also, this phone looks exactly similar to the Mi 11, which did not come to India. So Mi 11 Global Edition and this phone look exactly the same, which I do appreciate. I especially like how the camera module looks. It looks unique and very good, to be honest. Now upfront, this smartphone comes with a 6.55 inches Full HD Plus AMOLED panel with a refresh rate of 90 Hz. The touch sampling rate is 240 Hz and this is a 10-bit panel. So this is one of the few phones out there to come with a 10-bit panel. Now what does 10-bit mean? Now 10-bit means that it has a wider range of color, which means that consuming content on the smartphone is going to be excellent. So if you like to watch a lot of YouTube videos or movies on Netflix or TV shows or anything else, then you're going to have an excellent experience with this smartphone because of that display. The colors are accurate, the viewing angles are excellent, it gets bright enough to use in outdoor sunny conditions, and the contrast ratio is just next level because of the AMOLED display. Also, it's not a big panel, it's a 6.55 inches panel, and I think this is the perfect size. Like 6.67 is a little too big, but 6.55 is the perfect size according to me. Now, as I said, this phone is not about the specifications. So under the hood, it comes with a Snapdragon 732G. Along with that, it has 6GB or 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and up to 128GB of UFS 2.2 storage. The battery capacity is 40 to 50 mAh and it comes with a 33-watt fast charger inside the box itself. So as I said, no big numbers over here. The performance of this smartphone is pretty normal. So for normal stuff like checking your email, replying to WhatsApp messages, browsing through Instagram Reels, watching YouTube videos, or just editing some photos on Lightroom, you are going to have an excellent experience with this smartphone. For normal stuff, it's really good, but for gaming, I'm not going to recommend this smartphone. You can play some light games here and there, but for hardcore gaming sessions, look somewhere else. This smartphone is not meant for gaming. Now this is a 4G smartphone, it's not a 5G smartphone, but it comes with a 5G variant which might be launched in India very soon. The 5G variant comes with a Snapdragon 780G, which is an excellent 5G processor. So as and when 5G will grow in India, Xiaomi will launch that phone and that is going to be pretty exciting. Now it is very impressive to see that Xiaomi has managed to fit a 40 to 50 mAh battery in a phone which is such slim and lightweight. So Xiaomi did not sacrifice on the battery capacity and I really appreciate that. So kudos to the team. Alright, it is now time to talk about my favorite thing on any smartphone, and that is the cameras. So on the rear side, there is a triple camera setup, a 64 megapixel primary sensor, an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, and a 5 megapixel telemacro camera. Here are some sample images from the rear cameras. As far as my initial impressions go, the cameras do seem promising and I am excited to test them out further. The dynamic range seems impressive, the colors are natural and the photos are detailed as well. But again, these are just my initial thoughts. I will be testing out the cameras thoroughly and I will make a dedicated camera review, which should be coming very soon, by the way. So stay tuned to the channel and hit that subscribe button while you're at it. If you see a red button, convert it into grey and that will make me very happy. On the front side of things, there's a single selfie camera which is a 16 megapixel shooter. Here are some sample selfies from the smartphone. Again, the same story over here. Initial impressions are positive about the selfie camera as well. Now those were a lot of positives about this smartphone. Let's talk about some of the negatives. First up is that it does not come with a headphone jack. I really miss the headphone jack and this phone does not have that. Now Xiaomi has tried to redeem that by providing a USB Type-C to headphone jack dongle inside the box itself. So you do get that, but it is kind of an inconvenience and I do miss the headphone jack. Now the good thing over here is that the USB Type-C to headphone jack dongle supports high-res audio. So you will be able to listen to high-res audio via the headphone jack dongle. Now this phone does not come with MIUI 12.5 out of the box. It comes with MIUI 12 and that is kind of disappointing. So Redmi Note 10s, which was launched before this smartphone, came with MIUI 12.5 out of the box. So Xiaomi should have provided the MIUI 12.5 update out of the box and that is kind of disappointing. But I'm hoping that the update will come very soon because the 12.5 update has a lot of optimizations and MIUI feels faster. So that's why I'm hoping that update comes soon. Now, as far as biometric authentication goes, this smartphone comes with a fingerprint sensor on the power button itself. It is fast and accurate and works like a charm. All in all, I particularly am very impressed with this smartphone. I like my smartphones to be comfortable, lightweight, and the Mi 11 Lite is exactly that. I like this phone so much that I'm going to switch to this from my iQOO 7 because it's a very comfortable experience and yes, you have to hold it in your hand to know what I'm talking about. I really like the experience of this smartphone. Now talking about the pricing, it starts at 22,000 rupees for the 6GB and 128GB variant, and for the 8GB 128GB variant you will have to pay 24,000 rupees. Now during the first sale you will get some discounts up to 3,000 rupees. So effectively you can buy the base variant for 19,000 rupees, but that is very conditional and you'll have to use the offers. I'm going to consider it at 22,000 rupees and for that price I'm going to say it is an excellent package. It's not overpriced at all because yes, as I said, the price to performance ratio does not matter for this smartphone. It's not that. For that you have the Redmi Note 10 series. Now it is time to talk about that giveaway. So yes, I will be giving away one of these smartphones, any one which you want, like the color choice is yours. And what do you have to do to enter the giveaway? Well, it's pretty simple. Number 1, like this video. Number 2, subscribe to the channel. And number 3, go to my Instagram page and there you will find a reel about this smartphone's giveaway. So drop a comment on that reel and tag 2 of your friends and you will be entered in the giveaway. The winners will be announced 3 weeks after this video goes live, so make sure you're following me on Instagram because you don't want to miss that update. So anyway, this was my unboxing and initial impressions about the Mi 11 Lite. Do let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section down below. If you like this content, go ahead and hit that like button. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.